Welcome to the Student Education Plan Workshop. Today you will be focusing on how to build your roadmap of classes as a pre-allied health major. This workshop is intended to fulfill your Allied Health 100 class assignment. In today's workshop, you will learn about student education plans. You will also learn about the Pre-Allied Health Associate degree. You will review general education pattern, check your course completion, and create your very own student educational plan. You will also learn how to schedule a counseling appointment. A comprehensive SEP, also known as an SEPC, is a plan that maps out the courses that you need to take throughout your academic career at Fresno City College. An SEPC is a plan that includes your major core classes along with general education courses needed to complete your college goal. A benefit to having an educational plan after completing 18 units is an earlier registration date. The main reason why a student is a pre-allied health major is because they could be interested in one of Fresno City College's programs, including nursing, dental hygiene, radiologic technology, and respiratory care practitioner. The pre-allied health major is intended to act as a placeholding major for students while they work on their program prerequisites and general education courses. If a student chooses to obtain an associate's degree in pre-allied health, 60 units are needed. The pre-allied health major requires 7 major courses and general education. Overall GPA, also known as cumulative GPA, needs to be at a 2.0 or above. Let's review the major sheet. The 3 major courses include Allied Health 100, Introduction to Health Careers, the course you are currently taking, Chem 3A, and HIT 10. You are required to complete an anatomy and physiology sequence such as Bio 20 and Bio 22 or Bio 21A and Bio 21B. Either sequence will fulfill the anatomy and physiology biology requirement. In the last section of the pre-allied health major sheet, you must select 2 courses from the following: Anthro 2, Bio 31, Chem 3B, FN 35, FN 40, Psychology 2, Soc 1A. Note: selected courses are based on program requirements. In this slide, I will discuss the requirements in fulfilling the Fresno City College local GE pattern. Students must complete at least 1 course in all 7 GE areas. The 7 GE areas include writing and reading, mathematics, natural sciences, social and behavioral sciences, humanities, language and rationality, lifetime wellness, government and American institutions, and communication. Some courses fulfill program prerequisites and, at the same time, fulfill GE requirements. General education must be completed with a C or better. If interested in transferring to a 4-year university, please schedule an appointment with a counselor for transfer general ed options. In this section, please pause the video for 10 minutes. You can now make a check mark next to the areas of the GE pattern and pre-allied health major sheet you have completed. In this slide, I will briefly review the 4 Fresno City College lottery-based programs. Respiratory Care Program. Selection is based on a computerized lottery system. There are 5 course program prerequisites. Additional general education courses are recommended to be completed at time of application. Application opens only in spring semester and is a 22-month long program. Radiologic Technology Program. Selection is also based on a computerized lottery system. There are 3 course program prerequisites. Additional general education courses are recommended to be completed at time of application. Applications open only in spring semester and is a 24-month long program. Registered Nursing Program. Selection is based off of merit, multi-criteria screening selection, as well as a computerized lottery system. There are 8 course program prerequisites. Additional general education courses are recommended to be completed at time of application. Applications open only in spring semester and is a 2-year program. Dental hygiene is selected based on a computerized lottery system. There are 10 course program prerequisites. CSU or IGETC Transfer General Education is what is followed for this program. Applications open only in spring semester and is a bachelor's program. Biology sequences are required for the 4 lottery-based programs. Bio 5 is a prerequisite to Bio 20 or 21A. Chemistry 3A is a prerequisite to Bio 22 or 21A and Bio 31. After completing Bio 5, a student can then take Chemistry 3A and Bio 22 or 21A. Lastly, Bio 31, Microbiology, is completed. The chemistry prerequisite sequence is as follows. Students will take Math 3A or Math 11, and then Chemistry 3A, followed by Chemistry 3B, if interested in applying for dental hygiene only. Note, if you haven't taken math, please meet with a counselor to decide the correct math course for your academic goal. Before you begin creating your own SCPC, please make sure to have the FCC Local GE, the Pre-Allied Health AS Major Sheet, and the Program Prerequisite Major Form. This activity should take about 10 minutes. Your biology sequences will depend on which lottery-based program you're interested in. For example, registered nursing requires Bio 31, but dental hygiene requires both Bio 31 and Chem 3B. If you're not sure what your program of choice prerequisites are, please meet with a counselor. The Pre-Allied Health degree is optional. If you do not want to apply for the Pre-Allied Health Associate degree, please make sure you are taking additional elective courses so that you meet the 60-unit graduation requirement. Thank you for attending the Allied Health 100 SCP workshop. There are multiple ways you can schedule an appointment with a counselor. You can schedule an appointment through the Starfish appointment link, contact the General Counseling Office, contact the Transfer Center Counseling Office, or attend the virtual Q&A on Wednesdays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can sign up through Starfish. Q&A appointments are brief counseling drop-ins that are only 5 to 10 minutes in length.